Landscaping in the Twin Cities isn't just about looks, it's also about surviving extreme weather. And so understanding freeze and thaw cycles, spring, winter, fall, understanding the soil types. We've got just about every soil type you can imagine, including heavy clay soils, which can be an extra challenge. So getting to know each site is very important, and understanding the basic principles of how to build landscapes that can survive the extreme weather of Minnesota is really crucial for building good landscapes. Landscaping services that we typically offer include grading, site evaluation, design, installation. We install patios, walkways, retaining walls. We use native plants in our landscape designs, trees and shrubs, and evaluation of soil health is also a very important service that we offer. Some of our other services that we offer in specific areas like Minneapolis and St. Paul are lawn installation and maintenance, and we do snow removal as well. When clients first contact us, I'm the initial point of contact, and I always reach back out, schedule an on-site consultation. Meeting with clients on site then allows me to be there to answer questions and get to know clients' needs by asking questions about the design, about what they must have in their new landscape, what they've always wanted to see. And then I help bring my years of experience to bear by explaining process and walking clients through their options. Our design and installation process, once clients accept an estimate, then we begin with a design, and I have a design assistant that will give an initial mapping of the project based on the written description that I make. I review those initial designs and back and forth those with my design assistant before then presenting those to the client. After presentation, then I'm always open to revisions of those designs so that we get the design exactly how the client would like to see it. And then I introduce clients to their project manager, and the project manager will take the project through to completion. So during the design process, we're doing layout of hardscapes, fences, patios, decks, retaining walls, walkways, and also laying out plantings, and then also selection of materials, including plant selections. We focus typically on native plant selections, and also paver or retaining wall block material selections for the hardscapes as well. What truly sets us apart is our focus on listening and making a design that is based on our clients' needs. We're able to take our knowledge of soil health and native plants and transform that into designs that work for clients to meet their needs for low maintenance landscapes that will stand the test of time. Questions that we get asked almost every time: how long will the project take? When will you be able to start? What does maintenance look like over the next year or 3 or 5 years? What can I expect for the durability of this project? How long will the patio or retaining wall last? These are some of the questions that we get asked every time.